Guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how you can improve the picture quality of your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Guys, you can clean the camera lens, wipe the lens with a clean cloth or microfiber cloth to remove any dust or smudges that can affect the image quality. Also, guys, all major smartphones have photo editing options you can apply to photos in your camera roll. So open the image you want to edit. I have already opened that image in my gallery. So here you can see, if I tap on that icon, I will be able to get the different options of related to that photo. I can crop that picture. You can see I can take the original size, full screen, and different ratios of that photo. And after that, you can see the filter option. You can see, if I tap on filters, so it will change the quality of my picture. And so there are many more options you can select according to your wish. And then you can have to save that picture. Also, guys, you can adjust that picture size, and you can write text on it. And you can see this is also a mosaic. So guys, this is how you can improve the quality picture on your Android device. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.